Hello! Today in this video I will show and tell you how to make a classic Russian back massage. First, the patient should lie on the massage table with his stomach. The table is necessarily covered with a sheet. Under the ankle joints a special roller or a folded large towel is placed. In my table there is a special cutout for the face. If it is not there, it's best to turn the head on its side or put it on the patient's hands. It's better to not use a pillow. The patient may be naked or in underwear. The main thing is that he should be in comfortable clothes, as it doesn't prevent the outflow of lymph. During the massage, you open only those parts of the body that you are massaging. It is advisable to cover the rest of the body with a sheet. The area of the back in massage is the area from the 7 central vertebra. This is such a protrusion on the neck to the first lumbar vertebra, just below the lowermost ribs. In the lesson we will process in addition to the back's part of the lumbosacral region. Massage begins with surface stroking techniques, which are carried out in any direction about 10-12 times. Then we do a deep stroking technique. This and all other stroking techniques, they are done in 3 stages. The first is along the spine from the bottom up and then to the shoulder joint. The second stage, hands a little farther from the spine up to the shoulder blades and then to the side to the axillary fossa. The third stage is the lumbar region, from the spine to the side along the ilium. All these movements direct the lymph to the lymph nodes. After that, we begin to apply rubbing methods. Here all popular rubbing techniques are well suited. For example, alternating rubbing. Each rubbing technique alternates with a deep stroking technique. The next rubbing technique can also be sewing. Again, any deep stroking technique, such as ironing. After that, you can perform intersection. After it is convention to perform the reception of cruciform stocking along the lateral surface and along the shoulders forceps stroking. Now we will learn one more technique for the whole back. Let it be cervical rubbing. Again, we will make stocking, for example, comb-like. You can choose any convenient method for your massage. With each subsequent massage, you can strengthen your techniques and move on to more rich ones, for example, planing and comb-like rubbing. Smaller but deeper techniques are preferably performed on those parts of the back where you want to emphasize your massage. Almost all people have painful tense muscles. You can use spiral rubbing. Do not forget about stroking. Respiratory intercostal muscles are best massaged are rake rubbing. Then perform a rake stocking from the spine. After we have done a good friction of the back, we move on to the kneading technique, which we will also alternate with stroking. Let's start with a semicircular kneading along the spine and the shoulders. Let's do planar stroking. Perform a massage shift technique. The main thing is in no case do it through the spine. Again, any kind of stroking. Now let's do the rolling technique. After this, comb-like stroking can be done. Side surfaces and shoulders are always convenient to work with transverse kneading. And stocking again. After thorough processing of all the muscles of the back, we can start the vibration technique. Let's start with continuous vibration. Let's perform a labile technique. Next we perform a pad. Shock vibration on the back is not done in the interscapular region, on the spine and in the region of the kidneys. Then you can apply the dotted technique. It can also be applied in areas where other shock vibration technique on the back are contraindicated. After that, we perform deep stroking technique for a minute. Massage ends with the same technique with which I begin, superficial stroking. At the end of massage, we covered the patient with a towel. He needs time to rest at least 20 minutes. As a rule, a back massage course should be carried out daily or every other day for 10-15 procedures. For various diseases, the number may vary. On this, we will end. Subscribe to our channel, post liking and practice massage.